Mr. Speaker, before I get into the updates, I think it is important that the country appreciates that the state of the roads is not, Mr. Speaker, it's not the fault of government.
What that speech that the Prime Minister just made reflects is really a pretense at accepting responsibility, but in reality seeking to dodge responsibility. Climate change, to blame the appalling state of the road network in Jamaica today on climate change is just totally disingenuous. The reality is that there has been an absence of any proper road maintenance policy for years, and you have been in office for 9 years, so you have superintended 9 years of neglect over the maintenance of Jamaica's road network, for which the people are holding you accountable now. And that's just the reality of it.
Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique and aromatic realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, another solid reason we're upon again, you know. Because as I stated to you before, guys, that we are on the final lap. A general election can call anytime. The message have to be clear. I can't give no mixed message around here. So my duty around here is that anytime the Prime Minister and anyone from the Jamaica Labour Party come out and make a statement and it is not factual, it's for a man like Aromatic to come and point it out to my people them so them can understand. And remember, you know what we say, you know, we say we represent the ghetto, the garrison, the muck, the grime, rural Jamaica, the inner city and the urban community. I honor Aromatic fight for. So them now go and do nothing again, you know, to fly over with head, you know. So we there, we analyze, dissect, and break it down so we people them can understand. Look where Ghana now, my people. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, is blaming climate change and the People's National Party for our terrible and deplorable roads condition. You can't believe what I just say. The Prime Minister Andrew Holness in the Parliament want to shift the blame on climate change and the People's National Party for the condition of our roads. So Mark Golding have to drop them up in our Parliament yesterday, put them in a them place, read out the facts to them, so you hear the little nasty one, Everall Warmington in there, they talk about banana boat and all of them the thing. But you don't pay that no mind, because the thing about it, my viewers and subscribers,